Hello Cancer, this is your October love reading. So if you have Cancer in your Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, you can watch this video. And this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest for others. Okay. So let's see what we have for Cancer for the month of October. Okay. I just saw Two of Swords. So let's see what we have for Cancer people. Four of Pentacles, Two of Swords. Two of Swords is again appearing. Ace of Swords. What you are juggling till now and what you have gone through. It is coming. Some clarity is coming towards you. Okay. Some proposal is also coming towards you with this Knight of Cups. Clarity, and it's clarified by Knight of Cups. So we have Emperor in your overall energy. You have this Major Arcana. You have just set some you have just build your boundaries, like you. So with this Emperor card, I am seeing here that it means that you are in charge of your life now. So, and setting up your own rules, setting up your own boundaries. Okay. And you have set some boundaries between you and your person, because what is happening here, so you are not gonna just more in this situation. You just don't want. Okay. And something here is this Five of Swords is telling me that some sorry for background noises. I pause the camera. So yeah, Five of Swords here telling me in this spread that some chaos, something which is Two of Swords and Five of Swords. This is not a very positive card in your love reading actually. So basically I am seeing here that Five of Swords is all about chaos and conflict, which is still going on in your relationship. For me, Five of Swords is that you and your partner may feel irritable, and without taking some care, conflicts can be easy to start. Like there was no boundaries, but now you set some boundaries and in your power. Okay. Your overall energy is Emperor. I don't know, this is your energy or your person energy. It can be vice versa also. So yeah, someone has taken the charge of this relationship, because unnecessary this Five of Swords is happening here. And so Cancer, while doing your reading, a lot of stuck situation, not a stuck situation, a lots of disturbance, a lots of distraction I am feeling here. Like maybe this is a very restless energy I am picking up here. And also it's a very like, so here you have to do this. Okay. What you are going through right now, the spirit is telling you that work on yourself, Cancer. Like you are going through this Nine of Swords, like anxiety and sleepless night, and suffering from insomnia, and suffering from very depression, very depressed about this situation between you and your partner. So yeah, the spirit is telling you to do some inner work, some and that's what you are doing. You are in your power, the Emperor. And this Eight of Pentacles and the Hermit. Look at this, how he is working in this on his pentacles. Okay, so here this Eight of Pentacles is clarified this with this Hermit, like you have to both of you both have to work on yourself. Okay, yourself do some meditation and inner work, and just escape from this juggling situation, and don't hold on this. Okay, don't hold this situation, like Four of Pentacles, you are holding very unnecessary chaos and conflicts between you two. So the spirit is telling you to just do some enlightenment in your life, so that you can receive this Ace of Swords and this Knight of Cups. Okay, please clarify this Knight of Cups. Please clarify this Knight of Cups. Three of Swords. Heartbroken. I think this is your existing partner, like those who broke you. Between you two, this, like some conversation happened between you two, both of you, and some harsh things and some very very harsh conversation between you two, which leads to heartbroken to both of you. Okay, so both currently I am picking up here that you both are heartbroken right now, and also very distracted. While I'm doing this, I told you I am feeling very distraction here. So yeah, and lots of Swords energy, like you and your partner are just juggling with your own mind. Okay, you both of you, lots of air energy here, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. We have Aries here, and we have Pentacles also, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. We have fire sign here, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. But if you both are doing this inner work and all this, just finding some solution about your current situation or relationship, then this victory is coming into your way, definitely. But you have to do some inner work and just go through some deeper conversation, heart to heart conversation, and just deeper into this situationship, so you can receive this Ace of Swords. But definitely this person loves you. Why I'm saying this? Because why I'm saying this love situation here, because with this Knight of Cups, I'm just picking up here that yeah, love is here with this Knight of Cups and this, okay, the Fool, definitely, and the Death also. Death and rebirth, Fool, new beginning from zero. Definitely a victory will come to you both. This Knight of Cups, yeah, you both love each other and you both like each other, but yeah, some harsh conversation, like hit of the moment you said, or so they are not feeling good about that word or that situation which happens to you both. Because look at this, Five of Swords and Three of Swords, some conversation between you two which is leads to heartbroken. Okay, but definitely here the love is hidden. Knight of Cups, with this Knight of Cups, obviously love is here, but yeah, you are doing this Emperor right now, you are in Emperor energy. So yeah, all thing will settle down, and if you are just created your own boundaries now, so yeah, definitely maybe this victory is coming towards you. Okay, if you both are doing your work. Okay, so yeah, this victory is coming towards you, and a new beginning also. I will take all this also. So yeah, Cancer, a lots of distraction, a lot of unnecessary I'm picking up here, like chaos and conflicts with this Five of Swords. This is not a good card in your love reading. So yeah, definitely victory is going to happen with this Fool and Victory. So now I will take one card. I just saw Four of Wands. Maybe this is your soulmate, or sorry, this is your soul. I told you this is a very distracted energy. All the cards are spread here. Okay, I will take this as an outcome. Ace of Pentacles. So yeah, this card flew out. So I will take this Ace of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacles is a minor arcana sun for me, and it's a very, it's a offer, new beginning, new commitment. And look at this 3 cards here. Whatever is happened here, clearly some chaos about someone. Maybe your partner is dealing between 2 person or 2 things, and maybe this is your situation. That's why this chaos and conflicts is going on. But yeah, if you both are working on this, then definitely this will solve and your victory is yours. So we have 2 sun here. This the Fool sun. Look at this sun here and this sun here. So victory is definitely coming into your way. And I just saw 4 of Wands also. So yeah, Ace of Pentacles is nothing but a new beginning here, and yeah, it is coming into your way. So overall, it's a good reading for you, Cancer. So now I'm yeah, this is your reading. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your family and friends. So thank you.